Hi, welcome back friends. So in last video we have successfully completed our code for successful login, but we were facing error when we were filling the wrong information. For example, the email address, and for the password, when we were filling the wrong password or email address, then we were facing this error trying to access array offset on value of type rule in this page. Okay, so this is very common error, lots of developers facing this error, and there in this video I'm going to give the solution for resolving this error. Simply what we need to do here this error is about to array. So what we need to do, you can see here our $row is getting value from the array, fetch SOC array. Okay, so what we need to do, simply after this I need if condition. I'm using here if, and inside the if and then else. Okay, and here if I will use is underscore array. Okay, and inside the array I will is underscore array method I will pass $row. Okay, and here in this section I will copy all the code, this if and else. I will copy this, control copy and cut from here, and in this if section I will this paste. Okay, and I will remove this else and remove this else, and I will copy this echo statement or a line from here. I copy and cut from here, and I'm going to paste in else section. Okay, and you can see here this is if. Okay, and let me close this if. Okay, and this else is belongs to this if, you can see that. Okay, and this if is close here, and this else is belong to this if. Okay, so here I just check using of this method is array. This variable $row is the type of array. It will return a true or false value. Okay, if it is true, then our code will successfully run. Okay, so let's check save first, and let's check refresh our page, and let's fill the wrong information and wrong password and press on login. So it is showing us wrong email or password. So our code is working perfectly. We are not facing that error which we were facing in last videos. Okay, and we can add here, and we will add here the suite alerts or other alerts, other type of alerts for showing the errors. Okay, so don't be confused and don't worry. And now let's fill the right password and email address, right email address and right password, and let's see it is working or not. So login successful, and it's redirect us on our dashboard.php page. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done in this video. If you have any problem, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video.